is this anyway?
I'm just saying, if you're going to be picking at your teeth, don't talk, because then it makes it big on my screen if you talk.
Allison, I'm just kidding.
Oh, man.
All right.
I'm cracking up because, like, there's a thing on my wall that, like, surrounds my head perfectly.
I know, it's like, it gives you that little bit of a funky halo looking thing.
I could use some body. There you go. Okay. Oh, we're recording now. We have to behave. Okay, so what are we doing, chat?
What?
What are we doing?
Aren't you the boss?
I don't know.
I felt pretty good about chapter 14. It seemed pretty easy.
Yeah. That's why I figured that I was doing something wrong since I thought it was easy.
I totally get that feeling. Like, okay, this can't be that easy. I'm getting it.
Yep.
Especially after I screwed up and broke my spreadsheet and couldn't get my homework right last week.
Yeah, mine was, yeah. How'd you guys do?
Oh, I didn't do good with last week's homework, but I broke my spreadsheet, so all my numbers were bad.
Who said this? I didn't see any mouths moving.
Me?
Alright, my mouth is moving because I'm still chewing. Alright, I'm done. Sorry.
It's like one of these old Chinese TV shows.
Are we just jumping into the group quiz or what?
Yeah, I think so.
Jump in head first.
Let's do this.
Yeah.
Okay, nothing. Okay, there we go.
Think about it.
Okay. Number 1, number 2. Yes, right?
Mine's still loading.
Oh, sorry.
No, I'm just letting you know. I mean, carry on. It's still loading. I'm not surprised. I don't know why, because, like, I have no teenagers using Wi-Fi, so.
Maybe it's the school server, because mine's a little pokey, too.
Okay, I'm ready. I got 1 and 2 done.
I'm getting the spreadsheets. Soccer shoes and some hot dog thing.
Okay, let me fill those up too, since. There's that one.
There it is.
And there's. Oh, diggity dog.
Alright.
Wait, which? I can't find that one. Hang on.
It's right after number 2.
I know. I just always do it from the data sheet because I found that. There it is. It seems to work better. I don't know.
Fair enough.
Okay.
I'll start. In an ANOVA hypothesis test, we reject the null when there is sufficient evidence to indicate at least one mean is different from the others, and that is true.
Mm-hmm.
I think. I'm overthinking now. Yeah, we reject the null if one mean is different from the others.
Mm-hmm.
Except it has to be significantly different. No, it just says different on the homework prep, so yeah, it's true.
Whatever.
Don't let me overthink too much, guys.
Well, every time you overthink it, you always prove yourself right, so it works for me.
Okay. Who's got the next one?
What requirements need to be checked when performing an ANOVA hypothesis test? Mark all that apply. The variances are equal in each group. Wait, there was something about that. I've been working on 15 all day, so I'm like trying to remember now. Data in each group are normally distributed, yes. Sample means are all positive, yes. So I'm not sure about the variances are equal. I can't remember. That seems like there was something about that.
And that is, the variances are equal.
Yeah, so all three of them?
Data are normally distributed in each group.
I don't know about the variances being equal.
Mhm.
Let me go back to that.
That's what the homework says.
Sorry, what?
He said that's what the homework says.
Yep.
Yeah, the variances are equal for each group.
It says that they need to be constant.
That's what I was thinking.
And the largest variance is not more than 4 times the smallest. It does not say that they all have to be equal.
In 3.2, for requirements of ANOVA, it says the variances are equal for each group.
Hang on. Ah. People are like, my phone is blowing up right now.
My phone's blowing up too. That's because
Mine's not.
Okay, sorry.
Yeah, you're right. I see that there in 3.2. Variances are equal for each group.
Okay, so we're checking all of them?
Well, I don't see that the sample mean has to be positive in here.
Yeah, I think that's the only thing that.
Yeah, it said that somewhere, so let me look for it. I remember that distinctly. Hang on. There was something about that. Hang on.
The value of f is never negative.
Oh, maybe that's what I'm thinking about.
I was thinking the same thing as you. There was something about something had to always be positive,
So that's what it
but
is.
it's the value of f.
Okay. So we are going to uncheck the first one and just check the last two, correct?
Yes.
Okie
Next.
I'll do that one. There you go. Check if each group is normally distributed. Do the following. Construct a scatter plot. Construct a histogram of all the data. Construct a QQ plot for each group. It's a third.
Yep.
Yeah. It sounds
Agreed.
like we're in Star Wars or something. I'm just gonna keep that. All right.
So we're gonna see if Q pops up or something.
Huh? What?
It sounded like we were in Star Trek, so I asked him if Q was gonna come around. Sorry. All right. We assume the variance in each group is the same if the following happens. Assembled groups, different largest. The variance is the same. That's the one that's 4 times. So the largest variance is less than 4 times the smallest variance.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
The second one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are we sure? No,
Yeah, it's in
I trust you.
3.2 under the requirements.
I'm not doubting you. I'm just.
Who's asking if we're sure or not? Come on now.
I'm not overthinking it. I read it, man.
I'm gonna come back over here and see who's questioning this. Who's talking right now?
It was my burrito.
It was your burrito questioning us? That's actually really funny because my middle child, that's what my nickname for her is burrito, and she calls me the burrito maker. It's because she liked to be wrapped, like swaddled when she was young. Tangent. Okay. Are we on to 7 or what?
What?
We're gonna let Andrew do this one.
All right. And Anova, thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm waiting all night for someone to say my name.
Andrew.
Thank you.
Andrew.
Thank you. An ANOVA hypothesis test is equivalent to conducting independent two-sample t-test between every pair of samples. If there are 3 samples, there are 3 pairs. 1-2, 1-3, 2-3. How many pairs are there when there are 4 samples?
Well, that's a confusing question.
I'm going to go out on a limb here and say 4.
You're so brilliant.
Is this right?
I don't think it's 4.
There's always a contrarian.
You've got 1 and 2, 1 and 3, 1 and 4, 2 and 4, 2 and 3, and 3 and 4, so that would be 6.
Oh.
Asked how many pairs there are.
Oh, I forgot. Just kidding.
Wait, what are you guys saying?
So when there are 4 samples, we have to make sure that everything is matched.
Hang on, I can't hear you. Hang on. Thank you. Okay. There's 4 pairs, right?
Right.
Yeah, that's the answer, is 4.
But you can get more than 4 pairs out of 4 samples.
How?
I'm just pulling up Excel to play with this a little bit, make sure it's right.
Because it says if there are 3 samples, there are 3 pairs. So how would there be more for a 4 sample?
Well, because
Right.
pairs 1, 2, and 3 would now get paired up with number 4.
So our pairs, Allison, would be 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 2, 4, and then 3, 4. And those are all the possible pairs that we could make out of 4 samples.
Okay. I'm going to trust you guys on this one.
It's a permutation. Alicia? I think it's a.
I think it's 6.
Mm,
I have 6.
give me a second.
Somebody's beating up their keyboard again.
It's not me. It's not actually my keyboard.
I'll be gentle.
My keyboard.
All right. So we're good with 6?
Oh, Andrew told us to hang on.
Yes.
He's got to eat another burrito.
No, I just might. Hold on. Yeah. For 7, I think we're good with 6.
All right.
Yeah, it's a permutation sort of thing.
All right. Looks like we're up to the soccer shoes spreadsheet. All right. The data in the soccer shoe spreadsheet collected to help determine how the design of a soccer shoe affects the accuracy of a kick. There's 5 types, and also just wearing socks for a total of 6 groups. Each row represents a kick from 10 millimeters or 10 meters away from a target, blah, blah, blah. Column accuracy is the distance from where it impacted. So the smaller numbers, the more accurate. So it says, use a scenario to answer the next 5 questions.
Like you went on.
Oh, and they didn't put this in different columns for us. It's just like,
right?
oh, I think this is the other spreadsheet from when I was doing the homework. Privacy and data.
Oh, it's so boring. Copy paste, copy paste.
Yep. Copy all A.
Variable 6 would be the socks. Right.
Right.
Smallest, minimum smallest variance. Minimum smallest variance.
D. Copy this.
Okay.
Son.
Minimum variance. $27.208.
That's what I have.
That's what I see.
Yeah.
Which one has the largest? And
53.158.
See that, Daddy?
Good.
But I got 2.
What?
test for equal variance is satisfied for these data. So that would be true because it's not more than 4 times difference.
I have a question about the 4 times. I only remember in the text that saying double, not 4 times.
On the variances, that's under 3.2, and it says that if the largest variance equal to 4 times the smallest variance, then we will conclude that the variances are equal.
Are equal. Oh, just a minute.
3.2 you said, right?
Right.
Mine says if the largest standard deviation is not double the smallest standard deviation.
I like how Andrew's acting like he has like a different text or something. Well, in
Yeah.
mine it says this.
Mhm. Yeah, mine says equal to or less than or equal to 4 times the smallest variance.
Oh, okay. Never mind. Never mind. Continue.
Just kidding.
Were you in a different class's textbook?
No, I just forgot something. Yeah.
It's okay. Better that we're sure and we get it right.
Right, because she reminded me.
Oh man, we have to do QQ plots. Come on.
Ooh, and 6 of them.
I haven't even done those yet.
My QQ plot, they could do all of them.
Should we just do that in the soccer Excel thing, or insert?
Well, making a QQ plot's kind of a royal pain.
Really?
I don't know how to do it easily.
Oh,
I can't ever get them to cooperate.
we can do it. We can figure it out.
Get your spreadsheet up.
Data tools. Insert. Charts. Where was it? Oh, no. Is it called a QQ chart in here?
No idea.
Oh. Huh.
Ooh, hey.
Is it a ANOVA single factor? Is that what we're looking at? No, not single factor. Excuse me. Well, yeah, single.
Yeah, if we open up the quantitative and the
Yeah, that's what I've been playing with.
quantitative descriptive statistics thingamajigger.
Yeah, that's what I've got up. I'd just rather use that. They made it for us. There's 2.
Where did you guys figure out how to do it?
So if you go to the quantitative descriptive statistics spreadsheet,
Okay.
there is a table or there's a tab in there that shows you, or you can just plug in your data for the QQ plots.
Oh, look at that.
I'm looking.
But you can only do one at a time, right?
Right. So what I'm doing is I'm just copying, and then the chart when it's ready, and then I'm pasting it as a picture so I can look at them all at the same time. Lame, but you know, it works. And paste this picture. All right, so each of them are approximately normal based on what you see. They kind of go off the line a bit, but not like terribly bad. But then the last one goes off the line quite a bit at first and then stays the line after that.
I think if I recall, it has to be like really obviously off the line in order to be considered not okay.
I
Or
think
not normal or whatever.
they all look pretty normal. I think.
Yeah, they seem mostly normal. I'm going to go ahead and say it's true.
I'm inclined to agree.
Let's go with it. Worst case scenario, wrong, we can always go back and redo it.
I don't know if you can figure out the answer. though.
Well, to me, it looks like they're mostly normal, and so I think it's all right.
Yeah.
Yeah. Um,
So we're moving on to number 12.
Yep.
Okay, so perform an ANOVA test and observe that the p-value is 0.081.
Yep.
Hang on, my computer's wigging on me here. Okay, then remove the SOX data and perform the test again. What is the p-value when we remove the SOX data?
Interesting.
0.309?
or
Yes.
Yeah, that's what I got.
oh, there it is.
Okay, and I would guess for the next question, we're
Yep.
supposed to have the socks back.
No, it's just in a general thing asking you. The test statistic for an ANOVA hypothesis test is an F statistic. Is the p-value the area to the right or the left? It's to the right because it's right skewed.
Yeah.
Always.
Yep.
Perfect.
Wait, it's to the right.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, if you want to find it in the textbook, it's in 3.1.
Okay, thanks. Oh, I don't think it's in this textbook. I think it might be in your textbook.
Well, our textbook is correct, so that's already been established.
Well, so is mine, you know.
Except when you forget things.
What the heck?
All right, looks like it's time to pull up the hot dog file.
Hot dog, hot dog. Who wants a hot dog?
I do.
Shocking.
We have hot dogs in our fridge.
I'm
Yeah.
sorry.
Fine.
We had hot dogs for dinner just a couple of nights ago.
We don't have hot dogs yet. We have corn dogs.
Ooh, corn dogs
Stop
are
it.
good.
Oh, yeah.
Shh. Can you hear her?
No, we just hear you going shh all the time.
Sorry.
But he certainly did not hear any kind of meowing.
Mm-mm.
No meowing here. Shh. Stop it.
I don't know where she gets her sense of humor from.
Poor kid.
All right, so we got 3 kinds of hot dogs that got analyzed.
Shh, shh, shh. Okay.
And it looks like we have to do QQ plots of the calories for each type.
I plugged my phone in so it wouldn't die, and now iTunes is giving me trouble. Like, I don't want iTunes up right now. Like, stop.
Mm.
Hey, why is it doing this? Okay. So we have to do this.
Hot dogs. Here are the variants.
Okay, so we
Oh,
take.
wait. Beef, meat, poultry.
So we do the calories and do a Q plot. Is that what we're doing?
Yes.
Yep.
Correct me if I'm mistaken, but I'm pretty sure that beef and poultry are both meat.
I think
Hot dogs are not meat.
you might be right about their meats, but
Okay. Oh, I
don't
know.
know. With hot dogs, you have to wonder sometimes.
I watched something recently. There's a video on how they're made, and it's disgusting.
Yeah, they just grind up the meat and slap it into the casings.
Ooh, that's
What's so gross about that?
No, it's like pureed, and it's like this like liquid, and I can't. Ugh.
Have you ever had Hebrew hot dogs?
Have what?
Hebrew hot dogs?
I thought I swear you're saying like tofu hot dogs.
Hebrew hot dogs?
Oh, Hebrew, not tofu. Yes, I have had Hebrew hot dogs before.
What do you think about it?
It's still a hot dog.
They're good.
Honey, I'm baffling their minds because I don't like hot dogs.
Didn't you just work at a stadium selling hot dogs?
Yes, and they fed us hot dogs that night. It was so gross. Like the last time we got to pick what we wanted to eat, and this time they just brought a bunch of hot dogs in, and that's what we had to eat, and it was terrible.
Oh. I'll stop picking on you now.
I'm thinking I need to get hot dogs for dinner tomorrow now.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm evil.
Yeah.
I'll quit teasing.
Hey, it's okay. I mean, you know, I just find them disgusting. So, I mean, my family eats them too, but I don't serve them. They have to go elsewhere for their hot dogs.
Are you gonna make it a family rule? No hot dogs anymore.
Well, here's the thing. I do the grocery shopping, so, you know. I haven't bought hot dogs in a long time. Have I, Ray? He's not listening to me. Okay, so far all my QQ plots are like messed up.
Did you remember to sort them?
Oh, sort them? What do we have to do? What do you mean?
Sort and filter from smallest to the largest.
Oh.
I don't remember them telling me to do that. Is that what they tell you in your text?
Oh, yeah.
Well, in my spreadsheet, it says step 1, paste data in column A. Step 2, sort column A from lowest to highest.
Oh. I see that.
Oh,
It says
hey.
that in mine too.
Oh, wow.
They
Magic.
even made it bright yellow.
Hey now.
What's the difference between beef and meat?
Right? What's the difference between beef and meat and poultry?
Okay, but that still shows like 3 that are like out and nowhere. Oh, I didn't. Never mind. Hang on.
In the description, it says meat is mostly pork and beef, but up to 15% poultry meat. So meat is the mystery meat hot dogs.
Ah.
Ugh. This whole conversation is making me like, ugh.
Don't be
Makes
hating.
go meat with Psychiatrist.
I mean, it probably stays in your system for like years,
Oh,
You.
Shh.
right? Now who wants a hot dog?
I don't want a mystery meat dog.
Ugh, why? It's like if you don't have them all highlighted perfectly, then it doesn't work.
Nope.
oh, and I think on the going from beef to meat, there are more samples for the beef than there are for the meat.
Yeah, I just noticed that.
You remove the extra sample. Or else that's going to
I
skew.
cannot get the top one to go into the rest.
Oh, it came out. It was free.
Daddy.
There you
Oh,
go.
that's really winky.
Turn.
Mm,
There we go. Okay.
Hold on here.
yeah.
So far, I've been able to do the beef one and the meat one. The meat poultry one. Ugh. I'll be glad when these are over.
That might be why.
Toast. Oh, so you got to remove the. It only goes to 144. I see, so. Okay, so they're all normal, is the punchline. Okay, so assumptions have been met. So it can only be the first choice, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, because I checked the differences between the variables, and they're very close. Because the lowest variable is 508 and the maximum is 636. So they're definitely not more than 4 times different.
Okay, so 14 is the first choice, correct?
Correct.
Okay. Required analysis has determined the mean number of calories is the same for all 3 types of hot dog. You should find that the degrees of freedom are 2 and 51. What conclusion can you draw? So it's less than the. Why is it telling us to run a test if it's giving us all the information?
We just work here.
Okay.
So it looks like it's the third one. We have sufficient evidence to claim that all 3 hot dog types have a different mean number of calories.
Well, what's the null?
The null on the NOVA test is that the means are equal.
Got it. Okay, so that makes sense to me. I agree.
What about you guys?
Let me take a look at the question again.
Oh, wait, move the pencil.
Yeah, I
I
agree.
got my answer from section 3.
I agree with 1.
You agree with what?
I agree with Gwen.
With 1?
With the second one?
Me.
Oh, Gwen.
Hello.
Carry on. Never mind.
Did Gwen say number 2?
No.
Number 3.
Gwen and Allison said number 3.
Right, number 3.
3. We have sufficient evidence to claim that all 3 hot dog types have a different mean number of calories.
Sure. Good trade.
Next. We're not done with the hot dogs yet. Now it's time for sodium.
Yeah, but doesn't it give us all the information that we need right there, really?
Yep.
I don't think we need to go and do all that. Like, so have the assumptions been met? Still.
Yeah.
Yeah, I would say yes, because it comes. So
Well, I guess we still need to. Well, it says the QQ plot says there's a problem, so I guess we have to do a QQ plot to see what it's talking about.
But we already know that one of them is going to be a problem. So, but like it says, it's okay to assume each group comes from a normally distributed population, and we can also assume that the variances are equal.
Yeah, when I do the poultry one in the QQ plot, it really goes off the line quite a bit.
Mhm. You like chicken hot dogs anyway.
Looks to me like it's the third option, that the assumptions have not been met. It's not safe to assume they come from a normally distributed population, but we can assume the variances are equal because the difference between the smallest and the largest was not 4 times different. Because it was 7,000 to 10,000.
Yeah.
Yeah, actually, yeah.
I agree.
Okay. Who wants to do 17?
I'll do it. Despite the possible problem with the QQ plot for poultry, we decided to use ANOVA to determine if the mean sodium levels are the same for all 3 groups. What is the p-value for this test?
Dang it, we're going to have to plop them in there. I have a p-value of 0.179.
That's what I got.
Yeah, I think that too.
Who's got the last one?
I think that was Chad saying he did. It was very audible.
Darn. What conclusion can you draw about the mean sodium levels of the 3 types of hot dogs? Use the level of significance of sigma equals 0.05. Value 0.179. Not lower. So, no, not that one. Hold on. No. Is it second one down?
Which one?
The fifth one down? Sorry, I just added it in. Didn't know if anybody was paying attention. I think the second one down. Is that right? No?
That's what I have.
Oh,
Yeah.
I have failed to reject the null.
mm.
Sweet. Should we submit it?
Yep.
Oh, we missed one.
Good.
Which one? Mine's still working, so.
Well, it's just-
Question 15.
Question 15.
That was one where we thought we had sufficient evidence that all three had a different mean number of calories.
Well, I'm going back, so I won't submit it. I'll try something different, and then we'll know if it's right for you guys to submit yours too. So would it be the first one then? We have sufficient evidence to claim that all three.
Yeah, I think it is supposed to be the first one.
Okay, I'll try the first one. And see what
Well, it
happens.
doesn't make sense because if the P is low, you reject the null. So why would they have the same? Maybe it's the last one that at least one has a different mean number of calories.
You want me to try that one?
That makes more sense because when the P is low,
Yeah.
you reject the null.
Okay, so I tried the last one, so hang on, let me submit now. It's being very slow. Okay, save all responses. Go to submit quiz.
Ooh, what was that?
Yeah, that was it, because I got all mine right.
Yay!
I'm trying to save all of my responses and it's not working.
I was taking a time test in marketing the other day, and it would not submit. And I kept trying to submit it, and it would not submit. And I finally ran out of time, and I was like, okay, well, now what? And I finally just opened it up in another screen, and I was able to submit it, even though the time was run out. It was really weird.
That is weird. All right, remind me what the other answers are.
Yeah, just let me
please.
know whenever you're ready.
I'm ready.
Okay, so number 3 is true.
Okay.
4 is the second 2. The first one's left empty. Second 2.
Okay.
5 is construct a QQ plot.
And 6.
The largest variance is less than 4 times the smallest. So it's a second choice.
Okay. Got it.
Okay, 6 for question 7. Huh?
Okay.
Oh,
I just remembered what that one was.
okay. Question 8. 27.208.
Okay.
9. 53.158.
Okay.
Question 10 is true.
Okay.
As well as 11.
All right.
12 is 0.309.
You didn't save anything.
Okay.
13 is right.
Right.
Mm-hmm.
14 is the first choice.
Okay.
15 is the last choice.
Okay.
16 is the third choice.
2, 3. Okay.
17 is 0.179.
All right.
And 18 is the second choice.
Yay.
Oh, now it does. Okay.
Thank you very much. Woo.
There goes Chad beating up his keyboard again.
Stop picking on me.
No wonder it didn't want to be found.
When I closed or open another window, I've come to realize that none of the answers saved. So I'm hopping from one screen to the other.
Do you need me to read them to you again?
Sure. 7. I'm on num 8. Okay, Allison. Answers in front of you.
Hmm?
Are the answers in front of you?
No, but I can pull them up. Not a problem. 1 second. Lesson. Hang on, I'm pulling it up. Which one do you need?
Number 12.
Okay, 12 on. Hang on. Okay, number 12 is 0.309.
And it's right. Number 3.
13 is right.
14.
Is the first choice.
Number 15.
The last choice. is the third choice.
17.
0.179.
And last but not least,
The second choice.
second choice. Thank you. Go for that.
Did you get it, Andrew?
Yep.
You're in your dark room, all quiet.
Sorry.
All we can see is like the whites of your eyes. It's creepy.
Yeah, I just got out of the shower, so you know. I'm kidding.
Oh man, I think this is where you need to stop recording, Chad.
How do I do that?
At the top right, stop broadcasting.